Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about CapCut and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.